Can I put my puffer jacket in the dryer after washing it?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to discuss a question that's on many people's minds. Can I put my puffer jacket in the dryer after washing it? It's crucial to understand the proper care for our garments to ensure they last longer and stay in good shape. So, let's dive in.
Can I put my puffer jacket in the dryer?
The quick answer to this question is yes, but with precautions. Puffer jackets are often filled with down feathers or synthetic materials that create a fluffy insulation layer. The warmth and loft of these materials come from their ability to trap air, but they can be damaged by high heat.
What precautions should I take?
Here are some crucial steps to follow when drying your puffer jacket. 1. Use a low heat setting. High heat can cause the synthetic or down filling to melt or clump together. Always select a low heat or air fluff setting on your dryer. 2. Add tennis balls. Adding a few clean tennis balls to the dryer can help fluff up the jacket and prevent the filling from clumping. The tennis balls will bounce around, redistributing the filling evenly throughout the jacket. 3. Take out and shake occasionally. Every 15 to 20 minutes, remove the jacket from the dryer and give it a good shake. This will help redistribute the filling and ensure it dries evenly. 4. Ensure it's fully dry. It's essential to make sure the jacket is entirely dry before storing it. Even a small amount of moisture can lead to mold or mildew. If the jacket still feels damp after a drying cycle, let it tumble for another.
What if I can't use a dryer?
If you don't have a dryer or prefer not to use one, you can air dry your puffer jacket. Lay it flat on a clean towel, away from direct sunlight or heat sources. Flip it and fluff it up every few hours until it's completely dry. Taking care of your puffer jacket might seem like a daunting task, but with the right steps, it's not that complicated. Remember to dry it on low heat, use tennis balls, shake it out occasionally, and make sure it's completely dry before storing. Your jacket will last longer and serve you better with proper care. We hope this video has been helpful and that you feel more confident about caring for your puffer jacket. Until next time.